Kyrtong MP juga kenhuan Regional Democratic Alliance ka kenhuan joki artli ki sangsai partai rulum kata ka United Democratic Party bat ka Hill States People's Democratic Party. Uba Robertjune khajarin mentagas ni ula ong baki paitba nang Kyrshan jaga Voice of the People Party. Bat ki paitba jaga Shillong Parliamentary Constituency kimdai ban Pynsep ka vote jongki man Kyrshan ya Kyrtong ka VPP. Namar umdan jekaman menjawab namar baka PPP kadang telat akibat bon ki constituency. Habekan bagi dapat kubor ubah Robert Khajarin ula ong bahaka election ke barang syudap. Dek UDP ke wajab buntam ke MLA na barok ke sang rulum. Baka jeng don juki MDC ru ke buntam na para sang rulum dek UDP. Na terkadau udon ke jeng sengos kam ba kum Kyrtong ke ADE barak undai tang ba na para Kyrtong sang rulum ke badon ke bor ban yakon persya ya ki Kyrtong juki National Party.
Which what?
VPP.
VPP. VPP. Okay. I am a regional minded person, and I respect to all the regional party, including the VPP. But I do feel that in winning the MP election, UDP along with HSP has a much better chance. We have 14 MLA, so many MDC. So I don't underestimate any opponent, be it VPP, be it BJP, be it NPP or Congress or whoever. I respect to all my opponent. But if we go in terms of number of MLA, in terms of number of NDC, and if we go by the vote share that we got during the last MLA election, we are far ahead of VPP. And I appeal to the supporter of VPP, let's not waste any vote in the VPP candidate, because at the end of the day we will landing up in dividing the regional vote. Let's vote for RDA, because we have a much better chance in securing the seat. And I pledge that any issue that the VPP would like to raise, I will take those issues in the parliament also, with the exception of few issues which I will not be spell out here. Of course, I will not agree to all the issues. Clean governance is something that I share the ideology with you. So let's not dividing the vote into so many parties. Let's try to consolidate the regional vote into one. And I do feel that RDA is a proper alliance to win this election on behalf of the regional party.
We have a candidate.